Hello, Dave Custer here with Fiery Furnace Forge Blacksmith LLC. Today I'm working on making round tuits, and you might be wondering what the hell a round tuit is. Well, just look down in the video description and you'll find out. I'm going to be using Clay Spencer Ray Clontz tire hammer to make the tuits. Got a couple in the fire, and I've got a couple tools here. The tool that stamps the letters T-Y-T and into the piece of metal, and then I have my touch mark here, FFF touch mark, and so I'll stamp each tuit hammer on the power hammer. I'm using 1 inch slug of 1 inch round stock, and then hammering it down, which creates a bulge in the sides. And so anyway, I'm going to get a couple out of the fire and hammer out. Off of them so they'll have a nicer finish to them. I'm going to move the camera here so you can see what I'm making. There you go, some round tuits, and see, it's got the tuit stamped into it with my touch mark down there. And once these cool off enough, they'll get a coating of W40 just to kind of gives them a more finished look, and then they'll be ready to ship off to the store they're going to. Thanks for watching.